And no, that is not the train that is coming. Hello everybody, CJ Compton here at Stanley Road. Stanley Road. Here in Vermilion, Ohio. Well, I'm just outside of Vermilion, Ohio. We have a yellow over green signal. We have a train coming, check it out. My papa is going to be counting the train cars. Let's see how many train cars this has. Here it comes. With a yellow over green. This is going to be fun right here, folks. I'll have to let you all know this. This is my last train I will be able to catch for today. I hope you all enjoy. Here it comes. Roll it. Oh man, oh man, there are different horns. Different horns are going off on different trains. I don't know which one is which, but we have one on this main line over here. We have one on this main line over here. This is on the Norfolk Southern Cleveland district. And we have a train coming, check it out. I have already said it already. Anyway, here it comes. Roll it. $125 cars, okay. I believe that one is the Norfolk, the symbol on that train, I believe that one is the Norfolk Southern the Free 16. I just don't get why it had a yellow over green signal. I thought it would have had a green over red. I guess it's switching over in town. If that is the 316, then that train starts out in Bellevue, Ohio at the Mormon Yard, heads east to Conway, Pennsylvania, where it terminates. We got red over red now because the train has already gone through here. Anyway, all on this Sunday, August 25th of 2024 from CJ Compton on YouTube. And one more thing, this has been a lot of fun here today. I hope I am able to come back out here again sometime soon. I am getting a call now, so I guess that's it. So let's roll it.